In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Adobe Photoshop extension on your Google Chrome browser. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you wish to add Adobe extension on your Google Chrome browser, it's pretty simple. Just go ahead and open your Chrome browser. Then make sure you are logged into your account with your Gmail account. From here, you need to go ahead and click on these ellipses, and from this now look for extension option. You can see it is here. Under it we have two options: manage extensions and visit Chrome Web Store. So for us to get this extension, we need to go to Chrome Web Store. So I'll click on it, and under Chrome Web Store, now you can search for extension or look it under the list of extensions available here. As you can see, we have already our Adobe Photoshop extension already available here. You can proceed and just click on it to install. Alternatively, if you don't see it, you can just use the search bar here to search for your extension. So I'll search for Adobe Photoshop, and you should see it is already on the list. Now I'll tap on it. To know that it is the right app, make sure it is from Adobe niche, and it has over 700,000 users, and currently it has a star rating of 3.5 from over 193 ratings. So if you see these details, you'll know that you have the right Google Chrome Adobe Photoshop extension. To get it, go ahead and tap on Add to Chrome, and then confirm by clicking on Add Extension. Now this will go ahead and download the extension, as you can see it here, and then install it automatically on your browser. And now it has been installed. So if you go and open a new tab and then click on extensions icon here, and then go to manage extensions, now you should see we have Adobe Photoshop among your extensions. Make sure it is turned on for it to function properly. So that's how you can add Adobe Photoshop on your Chrome browser. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.